I affirm that I'll be a more positive person. I believe that I can do whatever I want. Hi, you know what I was doing? I was practicing affirmations. Yes, you can also do so. Today I'll be telling you what is affirmations and how you can use it in your daily life. And one more interesting thing that I came about is that you can use all the English alphabets in one affirmation. Yes, that's right. That's what I'm going to tell you, and I'm going to refer to these notes of mine that I made. So yeah, let's get started. Affirmations are nothing but positive sentences that you say to yourself. I'm sure you must have heard that the law of positive thinking, or the law of thinking, the law of attraction is what that is. It states that whatever you think has the power and consequences to affect your daily life. Yes, I have seen this in my life, and I can say that it is true. So, affirmations can be said at any point of the day, and I'll be telling you how you can use all the English alphabets in your affirmation. So let's get started. I affirm that I will be a more happy person. I believe that I can be I believe that I will be happy. I have the courage and daring to follow my dream. For doing so, I will educate myself with whatever resources that is available to me. Again, I will find happiness in doing so. The grit is what I have to follow my dreams. The hard work, I am ready to do the hard work required. In doing so, I will inspire others. This will give joy not only to me, but to everybody around me. I strive to be kind. This makes me a more lovable person. I would maintain myself. I am ready to negotiate anything and everything in life. I would be obliged to help others. I am following my dream. I am following my passion. The quest for knowledge is never ending. I radiate positivity. I will do my best to satisfy you all. I understand the need of my target audience, you. Every person is unique. I value each and every one of you. Together, we will work for a better tomorrow. I have x-rayed my pros and cons about me, and this has yielded results in my life. The zest of positivity is the zest. My life is filled with zest. So you see, what I did there, you can also try and do so. It is a really, really fun exercise. It makes your brain think harder, and it's a really good way to challenge yourself as well. I got this idea from a book called Tough Times Don't Last, but Tough People Do. Dr. Struller, I really want to thank you. And that's it from my side for today. Always keep smiling and spread positivity, and do let me know in the comment section that if any of those affirmations that I have said is really true for you, and if you did practice those affirmations, and I hope that you will practice this affirmation and see changes in your life. Thank you so much once again for tuning in, and I will see you really soon. Before going, I would just like to add that life is what you make of it, so make this one count the most. And yet another thing, that you have to disconnect to reconnect with yourself. That is what is written in my t-shirt over here, but which is not visible right now. But yeah, that's the thing. You really have to disconnect to reconnect with yourself. Thank you so much, and may you really have a really nice day.